faces here tonight. We'd especially like to welcome all the representatives of the Florence law enforcement community who decided to join us here at Lula's Coffee Company at this time. We certainly hope you all will enjoy the show. And please remember, people, that no matter who you are and what you do to live, thrive, and survive, there are still some things that make us all the same. You, me, them, everybody. Everybody.
Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love.
Someone to love.
Sweet on the miss.
Sweet on the miss.
Sugar the kiss.
Sugar the kiss.
I need you. I need you. I need you. In the morning.
You.
When my soul's on fire.
You.
Sometimes I feel a little sad inside. What makes this best for me? I never knew how to play so hard. I need you. Sometimes I feel a little sad inside. How the baby mistreats me. I never knew how to play so hard. I need you. I need you. I need you. I need you.
You know, people, when you find that special somebody, you gotta hold that man, squeeze him. You gotta love him, please him, squeeze her, keep her, signify your feelings with every gentle caress. Because it's so important to have that special somebody to hold, kiss, miss, squeeze, and please.
Everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody to love. Someone to love.
Someone to love.
Sweet on the miss.
Sweet on the miss.
Sugar the kiss.
Sugar the kiss.
I need you. I need you. I need you. In the morning, when my soul's on fire, when I want that boy to love, I need you. I need you. I need you. Oh, I need you.
Thank you very much.